The other day, one Catholic lady whom I knew, very upright person, was promoted as a director of one of the directorates in Goa. So I sent a message while congratulating you. I pray and hope that you will be at least one government official, non-corrupt and based on morality and values of our constitutions. She thanked me for that and said, Father, please continue to pray for me. And I said, yes, I will continue to pray. One person can make a difference. One non-corrupt person can make a difference in a government official. Let me conclude by giving one example of another lady. She is retired now. When the secretariat was in Panjim, you know the old secretariat near the riverside, there was a Catholic lady. She was the secretary those days, Catholic lady. And she told me, Father, I get the files and the minister sends me a message, Madam, please go through the files and you write your remarks. And she will say, yes, sir. She will read the entire file. She is not bothered about who have written other remarks on the margin. And she will write remarks as per the law. Sometimes what she has written not agreeable to the minister. So minister calls her to her chamber and asks her, Madam, what is this you have written? Sir, what I have done? No, you have not written the right remark. Sir, who says this? I have written as per the law. Madam, you know, but please change it. And she had the courage to tell the ministers, Sir, you are higher than me. You can change. I will not change. And for this, she was transferred from one corner of Goa to another corner. But she stood that trial. And she told me, Father, I am proud that ministers were afraid of me. Afraid of me. That should be not the slaves of these ministers and politicians. We should stand for values. And that's what Mother Mary is telling us.